Well, you know, we are at the International Broadcasting Conference in Amsterdam, which is really the annual show of the broadcasting industry. And this is obviously the big awaited official launch of the REV technology being included into professional audio and video products by our partner Grass Valley. But all along we always said that there are vertical market opportunities for where actually speed, managing large files, removability, you know, is going to be very, very important. Being able to be getting a credible partner in this segment with Grass Valley will actually help us with regular OEMs like the HPs of the world, the Apples of the world, the Dells of the world, to not only adopt our REV technology in their professional video and audio applications, but also basically get qualified for their corporations in general. If you look at this announcement with Thomson Grass Valley, the very, very significant rollout of products they will actually show on Friday night during the IBC show will actually show that REV is first of all a credible solution outside the computer space. It will basically give the technology much more credibility. It will actually help us indirectly to accelerate OEM adoption and qualification of the products, and just make us a much more credible player in the market than we have been always before.
Your workflow, it's as individual as you are, and chances are you've had to make some compromises along the way. Even in the most ideal setting, there is no perfect one-size-fits-all solution. Each operation is different. Each corporate objective is unique. Each decision has its own impact. You know your workflow, and you know where the limitations are coming from.
CNN started using file-based technology in the mid-90s. We launched some new networks and some new services based around file-based production. To date, we've been able to accomplish that inside of our studios, and the next move is out to the field. We believe there are several keys to taking advantage of this new technology. Some of these include improvements to the workflow. It's not about taking one piece of equipment out and putting another piece of equipment itself in its place, trying to do the same thing. It's more about trying to look at what workflow advantages you can capitalize on with the new equipment and utilizing it in a different way that really unlocks the true power.
Another area which has been very interesting to us is the evolution to high definition. The camera that is a byproduct of the Chicago project is the first standard definition, high definition camera that hits the price point we're trying to achieve.
A new digital camcorder, multi-format, HDSD selectable, and offers a variety of connectivity, media, and compression choices. This feature-rich camcorder brings unprecedented power and flexibility to ENG and EFP workflows. Infinity also includes
a digital media recorder that is a true VTR replacement that, just like the camcorder, offers both standard definition and high definition, choice of compression, connectivity options, and supports the same inexpensive, innovative recording media.
Infinity also incorporates a new line of media and peripheral devices that bring cost-effective, nonlinear solutions to recording and storage. Infinity uses the compact and highly robust REV media from Iomega. It's like combining the portability and cost-effectiveness of a videotape with the nonlinear, high-speed access of a hard disk drive.
REV is perfect for standard definition and high definition. A single 35 gigabyte disc stores more than 2 hours of SD video or more than 45 minutes of high-quality HD video at 75 megabits per second.
REV is also widely available, it's cost-effective, and it's great for everyday video recording. But for the demands of video professionals, we are also offering a choice with REVPRO.
REVPRO is based on the same foundation as standard REV, but offers higher bandwidth performance for multi-segment caching applications, providing dual stream performance. It also offers greater temperature ranges, can be used at higher altitudes, and allows increased numbers of insertions. REVPRO gives professionals the reliability and performance that they demand.
You can, for example, take an external REVPRO drive like this one, which is going to cost around 500 euros, connect it to a laptop PC, and what you have is a complete low-cost HD preview station for an outlay of under 2,000 euros. The REVPRO drives, the REVPRO discs will all be available at the end of the year.
We've been able to address the fundamental issue, which is the lack of a low-cost, highly portable, removable storage media. We were able to then build a platform, a camcorder family, as well as a VTR replacement, and then build a REVPRO strategy that was around the media. We're calling this the death of proprietary media and the death of tape. Tape really has no real business being in this market anymore because of the price performance that's going on. I mean, at some point, right now the Rev cartridge and digital Betacam tapes are about the same price. And so, why would you use tape when you can buy Rev? The biggest problem with NLEs since they were introduced in the early 90s was the time it took to ingest the material into the editing station. What Rev brings now is nonlinear removable media at the price of tape. What we're doing is we are storing the video in 3 different types of compression codecs, DV, MPEG-2, JPEG 2000. We support HD and SD. I love this, because the cool thing is what you can do, especially with REVPRO when we get it out there, is you can create all your content on one piece of Rev media. You can edit on that media, create your final piece, and when you walk away with that disc, you've got everything. The original content and the finished piece. And you can, it's self-archiving right there. Our launch plans are, we will be introducing, well, we're introducing it now, but we'll be shipping the product, the first camcorders in Q1. The deck will be shipping in Q2. And actually the REVPRO media will be available at the end of December so that we can actually start using it inside nonlinear editing applications.